ICSE or CBSE? Simple question, right? But the moment you actually try to answer it, confusion शुरू हो जाता है. One friend says CBSE is better for entrance. Another swears ICSE makes kids deep thinkers. And in the middle of all that, आप खुद सोच रहे होते हो, what if I chose wrong? Not just for marks, not just for board results, but for my child, their confidence, comfort, future. That's the part no one talks about, है ना? We get caught comparing syllabus, but the real question is, what kind of environment will help your child thrive? In today's episode, we are not going to answer which board is better. We are going to ask what's better for your child. Namaste, I'm Preeti Durga, a career clarity coach and a parent just like you, who sat with this same decision for my son years ago. ICSE या CBSE? And I also recollect this one parent in my coaching session who said, "Ma'am, I don't want to take a risk. Let's just go with the safer board." And I get it, because the way people talk, it sounds like this choice decides everything. CBSE is better for NEET, ICSE makes them smarter. But what we don't talk about is the fear sitting underneath all this advice. Will my child cope? Will this hold them back? And let's be real, this isn't just another school formality. ये decision छोटा नहीं है. It's not just about textbooks or exam patterns. It's about how your child will be nurtured every day for the years to come. So today, I want to offer you something different. No tips, not just some syllabus comparison charts, but a way to think through this decision with psychology, reflection, and a free tool I have built to help you choose with calm, not panic. Let me tell you about Ananya. Her parent came to me a few years ago, thoughtful, involved, doing everything right as a parent. They chose CBSE for her during her grade 7 to grade 8 transition because they were relocating. And I asked them why. Everyone said it's better for entrance, they told me, with so much of confidence. Safe choice, right? But a few months into the school, something changed. Ananya, who used to come home humming poems, now sat through dinner without saying a word. Her spark faded away. Going to, school made her anxious. Homeworks turned into tears. Her mom, when she approached us, told me, it's like she's slipping away and we don't know what to do. Eventually, after our third coaching session, they switched to a school with a more ICSE style approach, and within 2 months, it was like someone turned the lights back on. She was curious again, started drawing, asking questions, smiling. Same child, different systems, everything shifted. That's when the parents realized it was never about the board being better or worse. It was about the environment and the learning style fitment. And once that clicked, everything else followed. Stories like Ananya are not rare. I meet families like hers almost every week. Expressive kids who suddenly stop sharing. Bright kids who start to say, "मैं dumb हूँ." And here's what's even more worrying. According to UNESCO and Acer, nearly 65% of students feel stressed, not because of exams, but because of learning environment doesn't fit them. And the problem? It doesn't show up with alarms early on. It shows up as, "I hate school. I don't get this. Why am I not, good enough?" And we as parents, we start doubting the child. Maybe they are distracted, maybe they are not trying hard enough, maybe they are not focusing. But what if the real problem isn't inside your child, but around them? So take a pause, ask yourself, is my child adjusting or quietly shrinking? Are they thriving or just surviving? ये question tough है, but they matter. Because this board decision, it shapes more than just marks. It shapes confidence, self-worth, long-term motivation in your children. I know this might feel overwhelming right now. You just want to do what's best. And that's exactly why I created something to help you. A small tool. I call it the board fit decision filter. And no, it's not a boring comparison chart. Ye alag hai. It's like a guided mirror. It will help you pause and look beyond marks and syllabus. Like, how does your child handle stress? What actually motivates them? How do they learn best? Do they need structure or independence? Because once you understand that about your child, the board decision becomes much clearer. And the best part, you don't have to figure it all out akele. This tool is free, it's thoughtful, and it's built from real family experiences just like yours and backed by neuroscience. You know what I hear most often when parents talk about choosing a board? My cousin said CBSE is better for NEET. सब बिल्डिंग वाले ICSE ले रहे हैं तो मैं भी ले लेता हूँ. And honestly, I get it. We ask around, we Google, we listen to school counselors, relatives, YouTube shorts, or फिर we choose based on what sounds safest. But here's the thing I keep repeating. Safe doesn't always mean right. And most of us never pause to ask, how does my child actually feel inside the system? Are they anxious every morning? Do they freeze when there's too much writing or get bored with just MCQs? The board may be the same on paper, but how it feels is totally different. Even within CBSE, ICSE or IB, each school has its own rhythm, its own delivery style. And here's something more important. A syllabus is not just a book list. It's a way of teaching, a rhythm, a mindset. Some kids thrive within a routine, others with flexibility. Some need, time to go deep. Others do better in short bursts with clear targets. So when we pick a board, we are not just picking subjects, we are choosing a learning environment. And every child has their own cognitive sweet spot. The pace, the structure, the style that actually lets them grow. एक बार child को समझ लिया तो बाकी सब decision clear हो जाता है. Most of us, when we are choosing a board, we go by what friends say, what the school promotes, what feels safe. And I get it. I have been a parent too. But when I created the board fit decision filter, I didn't want to start from the syllabus. I wanted to start from the child. So let me walk you through 3 powerful mindset shifts you must as a parent work on. Not steps, not answers. Just gentle questions that will bring you clarity. So let's start with the first question. Before you ask which board, pause and ask, who is my child right now? What excites them? What drains them? You can use this simple question to reflect. When does my child light up during learning? Maybe they freeze before timed tests, or maybe they come alive during storytelling or hands-on work. That's not weakness. वो एक signal है. They may simply need an environment that values depth over speed. And once that clicks, you will drop comparison and clarity will begin. Now here's something many parents overlook. We assume a board is just academics, but really it's a learning style. Each board is like a classroom personality. One might feel like a coaching center, another like a discussion circle. Some children feel calm in routine, others feel boxed in structures. The tool helps you notice, is your child asking for structure or space? So try to answer to yourself, when do they feel safe to express and when do they shut down? Instead of molding your child to fit a board, ask which system lets them expand. And here's the most powerful shift of all. Don't just choose for today, choose for who they are becoming. This is the space your child will live in 6 to 8 hours a day for years to come. And when the space doesn't fit, it's not just about grades. It's about how they see themselves. A child who feels small in school carries that feeling into their career. their confidence, even how they engage with learning in future is influenced. So next time there is a board selection discussion you are a part of, ask, is this season of your child's life asking for pressure or protection? You don't have to solve everything today, but you deserve a lens that helps you see clearly, and that's what this tool offers. One question at a time, one insight at a time. So when you make the decision, it won't come from panic, it will come from peace, from alignment, and from fitment. Just close your eyes for a moment and imagine your child walking into a school, not rushing, not shrinking, not second guessing, but with this quiet ease, shoulders relaxed, eyes curious. They know what to expect, and more than that, they feel seen. The teacher asks questions, your child raises their hand in class, not to impress anyone, but because they want to share. They come home and you hear something different. आज मैम ने बोला कि I explained it really well, or you know what, I think I'm actually good at this. That shift, it's subtle, but it changes everything. Because now they are not just surviving the system, they are growing inside the system, becoming themselves without fear. That's not luck. That comes from alignment, from fitment, from the choice you are making today. If today's conversation helped you look at the board dilemma a little differently, don't stop here. Take the next small step. Download the free tool I have built for parents just like you, the Board Fit Decision Filter. It's not a checklist, not a syllabus comparison. It's a reflection tool, one that helps you think through this choice, not with pressure, but with purpose. Just follow the steps on the screen. Go to our Next Moves Instagram page, follow us if you haven't already, and DM us the code CC episode 18. We'll send you the tool directly. And if you'd like to talk things through, maybe your child is struggling or you're still unsure what fits, just message us. We'll sit with you, listen, and help you figure it out together. So today wasn't just about CBSE or ICSE, it was about something deeper. That quiet question every parent holds, will my child be okay in this board, in this school? And maybe now you're asking a better one, what truly fits my child? That shift, that's where real clarity begins. Let's say this together. I help craft a career that doesn't just fit, but fulfills. One more time. I help craft a career that doesn't just fit, but fulfills. I'm Preeti Durga, signing off from Career Crafting Conversations, where we don't just talk about careers, we craft them. See you soon.